Okay, here we go, 13th of July. The first battery turned itself off because it ran out of power, which is one of the major problems with the GoPro. You've got to make sure you turn them off properly. Anyhow, a little bit of cleaning up to do today, just to taking all that out. And this with my trusty little battery chainsaw, which is really good. Means you haven't got to muck around with oil and fuel. Everything else is exactly the same. So yeah, it was a pretty miserable day. It started out alright, started out really nice day, about 5:36, and then just turned into this. Anyhow, that's it. Right, this is the stuff I've been cutting before, and I just dropped it in. I got a bit of an erosion gully here that I've been trying to do something about, but unfortunately it's on a major drainage line. So you can see the drain comes down, and it comes down into here. So what I'm trying to do is prevent it from cutting back any further, and I wouldn't be adverse if those things shot. It'd be pretty long, a long ask or a big ask, but I don't think it's going to happen. So apart from that, everything's about fine. I better go and turn the pump off now. It's been pumping water up to that top tank. Nothing never stops, doesn't it? Oh. Yeah, so there we are. It's another fine day. I think the sun was just out a minute ago, so a bit of luck you might have seen that on the video, but anyhow. Okay, let's go and turn that pump off.